Welcome back to the restoration project number 5. What we have here is a Sansui Z 700X amplifier tuner, purchased in 1982. There's the brand Sansui. Look, it's even got a clock on it. A lot of lights are not working. Oh my goodness, look at the dust. 2 speakers are not working. I haven't even opened up to see the status of the lamps, but I suspect some lamps have to be changed and a thorough cleansing and maybe a fuse or 2. Although this looks like transistors everywhere. So, over and out. We'll get back to you once I get all the lights working. Bye for now. Come back. Well, after taking the cover off, I noticed it's quite dirty inside. And it's mostly transistors. They're the 2 mass base reflectors for 100 watt per channel power. I'm going to give this a thorough cleansing. Right now I'm just looking at the contacts. There are some lights burnt out. I'm going to replace those. Clean out the speaker contacts in the back, and hopefully everything will come back. Bye for now. Welcome back to restoring a Sansui Z 7000X. Several lights are blown, which I'm looking at changing now. One of them was the fuse, which you see right there, kind of obvious. Interesting about this unit is that all the speakers turn off if you pull what they call an optic switch, which I had a hard time figuring out why the speakers weren't working, but after a while I got the hang of it. So hopefully the next video will be if this sucker powers on with all the lights functioning. Bye for now. Hi, welcome back. Well, here we go. We've got 3 LED bright lights replaced as the indicator lights. One for the AM, for the A speakers and B speakers. This was a missing indicator light. See how dim that is compared to a LED? The FM light was blown out, so I changed that. And we've got 2 lights here that were replaced for front indicators, which will make it seem, be able to see what's going on the front panel. So, other than that, I'm leaving good enough alone. A lot of burnt fingers with soldering. So I'll be putting it back together, and my next video will be the final product. Bye for now. Hi, welcome back. Well, after everything seemed to be looking fine, one channel just decided to drop off. And now that I've taken off the front, played with the wires, re-cleaned everything again, now we've got the 2 channels working nicely. But it's not to say it's going to stop, but who knows what could it be. So the idea is to fiddle with every little wire very carefully and wait till the channel drops off, and then we try to maybe resolder that wire. So something is amiss. It's a very frustrating problem because it's intermittent. So, anyway, over and out. Hopefully I'll find it, or I'll just let it sit for a while. If it doesn't drop off, I would think my problem is solved. Bye for now. Welcome back. Well, I found the culprit. It was these 3 wires here, this pink, black, and white. How I found it? By tinkering with every cable until I found the one that made the channel go out. So, that's what, so if you go around the back here, okay, here we go. It's somewhere around the screw. Is that it here? Yeah, there you can see it. I just added a little bit more solder. No, actually, yeah, there it is there. It was very loose, the little pin was loose, so we added a bit of solder. And we have the 2 channels playing wonderfully. So we'll get my hand out of the way. Just turn up the volume a little bit. There we go. No more losing channels. Bye for now. Here's the final product. Everything is back for now. We're dealing with these old lamps. Both channels are pumping away nicely. After much blood, sweat, and tears, and burnt fingers, and 3 fuses, and soldering, everything is back for now. So hopefully that'll be the last time I'll have to open up this unit. Bye for now.
Everybody, it is 4.5 minutes after 4.